Hey guys, it's Pruitt, Intercoastal Mortgage. Another question that I had is, how will I be updated during the process? How will I be updated during the process? So what we do is we obviously use all channels of communication. We believe in text, so you're going to be getting text messages. We believe in email. Obviously, everybody's on their email all day long. And then we also heavily believe on the phone. So we're not going to hide behind text and email. We are actually going to be reaching out and calling you to let you know where we are in the process. Now, before you go under contract, we typically will use email, text, and phone just to kind of communicate and see if there's anything that you need from us at the time. And then when you go under contract, same thing, text, phone, email, asking you and letting you know where we are in the process, communicating with you, communicating with your other team members of the group, be it the realtor, the title company, the listing agent. So heavy communication throughout the process is one of our 3 main promises. Okay guys, have a great week. Take care.